So we have a triangle A, B, and C, and we have an exterior angle of 100. Angle B is 2x and 3x plus 10 for angle C. We have an exterior angle 100 degrees, angle 2, and angle 3. So the question is, what is the measure of the exterior angles, angle 2 and angle 3? So to answer this question, we need to recall the exterior angle theorem. So in exterior angle theorem, it states that the measure of exterior angle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles. So the remote interior angles are the angles that are non-adjacent from the exterior angles. So let's say 100. What are the two non-adjacent angles or remote interior angles? These are angle B and angle C. So if we write the equation, we have 100 degrees equals 2x, because this is the non-adjacent from 100, or this is remote, one of the remote interior angles, plus 3x plus 10. So we need to combine the similar terms, 2x and 3x, so that is 5x plus 10. Then apply addition, property of inequality, so plus negative 10, and this is plus negative 10 also. So you have now 5x, this would be 0. Then you have here 90 degrees. After that, you divide both sides by 5. So the value of x will be what? 18. So x will be 18 degrees. So what will be the next step? You will apply the value of x to measures of angle B. So remember, angle B is 2x. So 2 times 18, you have here 36 degrees. Angle B is 36 degrees. And angle C is 3x plus 10. So replace the value of x. So 3 times 18 plus 10. So that would be 54 plus 10. So that would be 64. So angle C is 64. So how about angle A? That would be 180 minus 100. Since this one 100 in angle A are supplementary, so this is 80 degrees because they are supplementary angles. So you have here 80 degrees. Okay, so how do we know if these answers are correct? We need to add 36, 64, 100. 80. So if we add 6 plus 4, 10. So 10, 18. So the interior angles are correct. So this would be 36 and this would be 64. So to get angle 2, we need to add the two remote interior. So 80 plus 64. So angle 2 is 144 degrees. Okay, that's for angle 2. For angle 3, you have 36 plus 80. 36 degrees plus 80. And that would be how many? 116 degrees. So measurement of angle 2 is 144. Measurement of angle 3 is 116. So if you want to confirm if your answer is correct, you need to add the three angles. So let's add the three angles, 144, 116, and 100. They must be equal to 360. So if we add 4 plus 6, 10, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6. So you have here 360. So if the sum is equal to 360, therefore the exterior angles, the measure of exterior angles are correct.